What's in the like and subscribe fridge today, kids? It's a heavily censored goose. What the are you looking at? I'm you right in your with a heavily grease sharpened weasel pile of electrified. You dumb want to hear my views in Israel? Holy are they controversial? You see, what I think is and that would solve the whole thing. Also, while we're on about it, the USA cucumber and a whole tub of mint sauce and a traumatized pig was glued in place so that it spins in a sort of counterclockwise direction, so you can really get every single one of the Golden Girls, and they'd all have to get blood tests anyway, so it doesn't matter how many times. Anyway, like and subscribe, you dumb eating